Hello, this presentation is about making predictions. So what is a prediction? According to Wikipedia, it is a statement about the way things will happen in the future. When you as a reader predict, you think about what may happen in the text you read. So I guess it's a guess. Oh, prediction is much more than just a guess, because it should make sense. It should be based on clues you have been given in the text. So why is it so important? Well, first, it helps us to focus on what we read. In addition, it helps us to make connections between what we already know and what we think we know. Let me show you an example. Okay, so before I even begin to read, I preview the title, table of contents, pictures, graphs, any additional information besides the text itself. And I ask myself three questions. One, does this remind me of any experience in my life? Question number two, have I read or heard something like this before? And three, what is the new information I've received? Based on my answer for those three questions, I try to predict what the text is going to be about. Let's see an example. I have an article and its title is The Fun Theory. And let's say that I have no additional information, just the title. So I'll look for the keywords, fun and theory. So does this remind me of any experience in my life? Have I heard something before? No, I haven't. But I do know something about a smile theory, about the health benefit of a smile. So maybe it has a connection. My next step would be to examine the pictures, and we have two pictures. What additional information do I receive from those pictures? One is that this is initiative of Volkswagen, so Volkswagen has to do with it, which is a car company, and they are using this theory somehow. Based on that information, I have to revise my previous prediction. Now I think it may be a car design theory, or maybe it has to do with advertising. My next step would be to read the first sentence of each paragraph and revise my answer to those three questions. While I read, I look for clues that will help me make a better prediction. So let's see an example. This article has 4 paragraphs, and I'm going to read 4 sentences. The first one. How many people would walk up a flight of stairs if they could use an escalator instead? Okay, the second one. The fun theory is the creation of a Swedish advertising agency. Interesting. The advertising campaign's impact has been colossal. Okay. And in June 2012, the Fun Theory won the Cyber Grand Prix Award for the best internet advertising campaign. Based on those 4 sentences, I would like to ask you now, what do you think the article is going to be about? Is it going to be about the impact of exercises, the new idea of advertising, or innovative eco-car? What do you think? Okay, you guessed correctly. It's a new idea in advertising. 3 sentences talk about advertising. So remember, the more clues we have, the better and more accurate our prediction is.